Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Bluebeam and the PDF you need. This saves time and avoids switching windows. Next, choose the Snapshot tool, go to Tools, Snapshot, or press G so you're in capture mode immediately. Make a quick decision: single image for one area or tiled capture for large plans. This affects scale and stitching. Once set, click and drag to define the first capture area. Make sure the document view and zoom level match your intended output before continuing. Once you've drawn the first rectangle, release to create the snapshot. If you need equal proportions, hold Shift while dragging. For large drawings, choose tiled captures. Capture multiple overlapping tiles so Bluebeam can align them later. Set overlap to 10-20% to help stitching. Before exporting, open the Snapshot dialog to tweak resolution and scale. Higher DPI improves detail but increases file size. Make sure you name and order tiles logically so assembly is straightforward when you export or paste them. To finish, either paste the snapshot into another document. Bluebeam preserves image data, or export as PNG, JPEG, or PDF for use elsewhere. If you use tiles, let Bluebeam stitch automatically. If alignment looks off, manually arrange tiles and use guides to align edges precisely. If the final image looks blurry, make sure you captured at a higher zoom or increase DPI in the export settings, then recapture the area. Troubleshooting tip: if pasted images lose clarity, re-export at 300 DPI or higher and reinsert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.